Hey, have you noticed how other husbands smile when their wives go shopping?
That's suspiciously specific.
Oh, just saying, good. They even carry bags and pick colors. It's adorable, really. They look so happy.
Yeah, because their wives buy joy. Mine buys receipts.
Excuse me? What?
I'm just supporting the economy.
Next time I shop, I'll buy something for you.
Make sure it's on sale.
Unbelievable!
Budget-friendly romance, baby.